Hi guys, and thank you for joining us here for another video at Black Stag Styling, where we have in with us for the rest of this week a VW T5, in for a few bits and pieces to make it look like a swamper, or give it that swamper look. So we have, first thing we're going to be doing is changing the suspension. We are fitting or supplying and fitting the Bilstein E-back swamper suspension, gives it a 35mm lift. Then of course, to add to that package, you've got to carry on with that swamper look. We've got some Black Rhino Atlas alloy wheels in black going on as well. They're going to be fitted with the BF Goodrich KO2 tyres, which will probably give it that swamper look. Then going down the side of the vehicle, we have some black trims that are going to be going on. So they're like sort of a textured trim, going to be going down over the wheel arches and down the side of the vehicle. They'll just add to that swamper sort of look. And then the final bit we're doing is to the front of the van. We have a black A-bar going on as well. Gonna make this look really smart, just add that sort of swamper look to it. We do love doing the work on the VWs, T5s, T6s, so give us a shout if you've got anything like this we can help you with. Right, we'll look to get it into the workshop, start cracking on with the work. So let's roll the old intros. Here we go.
Right, so we've just pulled in the VW T5, which we're doing a little bit of work on, looking to make it look like a bit of a swamper. So we've got the Black Rhino Atlas alloy wheels, lovely BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, giving that a big old chunky look on the van. To accommodate for these, we're also fitting the Bilstein full suspension lift kit. Just to raise it up and made it look pretty cool. Nice chunky big old springs. Look at these, look. Spring has sprung, hey?
They're proper beefy, them things, aren't they?
Yeah, that's it. Then we are fitting a wheel arch and trim kit around the van.
Yeah, man, that should
give it almost that swamper look again.
Yeah, that's it.
And then a nice big swamper style A-bar for the front there.
Yeah, man, that'll look cool, wouldn't it?
Good bit of protection for the front of the vehicle as well.
Yeah, that'll look smart, won't it, mate?
So yeah,
that'll look smart.
We'll crack on, get it all on. Obviously, new wheel nuts, new lockers, everything for the wheels. But yeah, we'll crack on, get it all on there.
Yeah, man, good look smart.
Come and see us soon.
Right, Ad's now doing the lovely side trims.
I'll tell you what that is. It's because you came over.
Yeah.
Sealer.
Oh, you suddenly run out of sealer. Typical.
Just because you came over, right, sealer. The whole cut, whatever.
Right, Steve is just finishing getting the suspension all in. He's a bit grubby. Look, he's a bit grubby. But there you go. The new Bilstein suspension with the lift kit. All in that side. Oh, he's just finishing bolting it all up. Other side is all in. Obviously got to give it a little bit of a clean. But there you go, that is all in. Give it all a clean at the end, ready to get the new wheels on. We've still got the bar to go on. And then we're back with Ad.
Hey, I've got my new sealer now.
Oh, there he is. He's got his new sealer. So we're just getting the side trims on. Then we'll be finishing for the day, ready to come back tomorrow to get the front bar on and the rear suspension all done.
Friday tomorrow.
Friday tomorrow, bud?
Friday tomorrow.
There you go, sir. Ad's just getting the bonding agent on. He's already put his primer on.
Yeah, put it on the vehicle as well. You might have a little look over there.
We'll have it. I'll go and have a little look. So he's got it on the vehicle. Like Ad said, it's all on the vehicle. Where are we? There we go. If you can just about make out. So that'll line up with where Ad's putting his bonding agent. It's got the back one on. Again, we'll. Oh, hello.
Sorry.
Oh, hello. Here he is. There you go. So he's just going to get the middle one on. There we go. So these trims are to sort of give it a little bit of a swampery style look, along with the new wheels that will be going on shortly with the all-terrain tyres. That's how you got the bar to go on the front. And them last bits will be for tomorrow. I'll leave you to it there, Ad. We're going to have a look at the other side.
Thank you, mate. I'll see you on the other side.
See you on the dark side. This is the dark side. We're going to come round here. Here are the other trims. Oh, there we go. Excuse the camera moving around. There's the other ones all on. Same thing, bonded and primered and bonded on. Steve's just finishing the suspension. Last one just here to go on. There we go. Right, so we're just going to go and see Steve in a moment, see who's getting on with the suspension. The wheel arch kit is all on, all around the vehicle. We've got the front wheels on in actual fact, look at that. And the lift kit all done on the front. The new Bilstein suspension, you can just about see through there, look. There it is, Bilstein lift kit, just to give it that swamper look. The new Black Rhino alloy wheels, BF Goodrich tyres. That blueprint will come off the tyres. Steve's done this side with the suspension. So you can just see the new springs and shocks all in there. And then we come around the other side. And Steve's just finishing fitting up this side. There he is, look. Getting it all in place. He's got his spring in. Got a spring in his step. just attaching the shock absorber. There we go. Might be able to see from underneath on the other ones. There we go.
Steve, that's right.
There we go. There's the other side all fitted. Looking good. Right, as you can see from behind me, we are now finishing the VW T5. Steve has just given it a final clean and wash. We've done all our safety checks, given it a little test drive, make sure it's all good, and he's given it a final clean, ready for the customer, who is actually here, ready and waiting to pick it up. We'll do the final bit of video in a minute and show you the final results. Right guys, this brings us to the end of another one of the videos here at Black Stag Styling, and hopefully you've enjoyed this one. It's been nice working on just a slightly older VW T5, so this is an 06 model, but it's been a pleasure working on this, and it's really nice for the customers to want to bring it to us to add some extra Black Stag styling. So the bits we've been doing to this on the VW T5 are starting at the front. We have done the front bar, so this is a matte black A-bar with the axle plate. Adds a nice sort of swamper look to the front of the van. Then of course, really most importantly, as we move down the sides, the first thing is the upgraded suspension, of course, that we've done. So this is the lift kit, so it's roughly a 2-inch lift, but then when you add the wheels and the tyres into it, you're sort of going up 3 or 4 inches really at least, probably around 4 to be honest with you. So yeah, the upgraded swamper style suspension, like I say, makes a big difference as you've seen us fitting all of that and installing it. We've then done the Black Rhino alloy wheels that add that nice swamper look with the BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tyres, just finishing that look nicely to the wheel and suspension sort of setup. We've then got the wheel arch and side trim upgrades. These have been fitted and bonded, as you've seen, to the sides of the van, again just sort of giving a swamper look and a bit of extra protection to the sides. So yeah, been a few nice little bits and pieces we've done to this. I think that is everything that we've done on this one. Suspension, of course, has been the biggest thing we've done. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. We'll give you a last look round in a minute. Please do like and subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on, and you can stay up to date with everything we are doing. Hopefully we'll catch you again soon for another video. Last look round it. Take care. We'll see you soon.